You guys look like you've been around for a bit, so you probably know we've done this before. So similar, it's a design-focused piece. But whereas back in the day when we did it, although we managed to get the panel super thin, it was connected to an umbilical cord, connected to a center channel, which kind of screwed up the design. So it really made it for a unique person, and we also priced it at almost like we didn't want to sell it. So some big changes this year. First off, this is a 9.9 millimeter class TV, so I'm not on the metric system, so let's just call it pencil thin. It's about the same depth as a pencil. That puts it in American terms for us, or more global terms. So that's pretty exciting. No umbilical cord. This now uses our Zero Connect box, which we've mastered over the last few years. It's hidden down here, so yes, you can enclose it. We're excited that Zero Connect goes up to 165 hertz for those gamers out there. So that's really good. No umbilical cord, no center channel, but there are a big speaker attached, but there are speakers on board, so it is a self-contained TV. We know most customers don't have a glass wall at home, but if they did, they could hang it on one, or we could just take a look at the back so we can talk about mounting. The benefits of a glass wall. So these pucks would be mounted on your wall, or inside the wall now, or behind the wall. And then the TV has these indentations, very similar to the 97-inch OLEDs we've launched, and you will hang this like a picture, lift it up, slide it on, and you get a little bit of side-to-side play in case your installer didn't center it just perfectly. You'll have some play. Power cord is at the lower left right here.
Yeah, how would you adjust it if it was slightly off?
It's hard to see here, but there's so it's like those where you drop the screw into the thing, and then I think once it gets down, there's a little left-right plug. So super excited. So basically, we took what everybody loved, which was the old wallpaper, made it affordable, and then fixed the biggest complaints. So I think that's all great and exciting news. I'm going to talk about the picture quality, but I do want to point out, we have been winning awards for picture quality for a long time, and we're listening to our consumers. Design is becoming much more important, especially as the average size of TVs are moving way up. I feel like it was just yesterday that 55 and 65 were our big screens, and now we're going to be showing you hundreds and 115s. Wallpaper TV will be available in 83 and 77-inch sizes.
And defined affordable?
It will be a small price delta above the G series.
Okay.
So, knowing where G series normally lands, and this is a smaller price delta, I think that'll give you a good understanding where it's at.